What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today of Bitcoin. Right now, we're sitting at $55,125. What I want to do is look at Bitcoin here on the one-day time frame, guys. I wanted to really point out some key areas that we need to watch in the days and weeks coming up here. We've broken some important market structure for Bitcoin, and now what we want to see is that continuation as we go up and test some of these higher levels. So if you guys get some from these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. You guys who are giving me the likes and the thumbs up and the comments, you are the ones who are really driving this channel, and it's really appreciated. And I hope you're having a great weekend here. So let's dig into this, guys, and this is Bitcoin on the one-day time frame here. So the most important thing for us right now, guys, as we're looking at the one-day time frame here, we have gotten over this previous lower high. So basically since April 15th, you can see this red downtrend that we've been in. This was a macro downtrend. We have actually broken that now. We have broken up through this red trend line here, and it also came on heavier volume, which is really good for us. So in the last Bitcoin video, we were talking about breaking out of here, having a nice daily candle close on volume. We ended up getting that, which was important for us, and it came on volume, and that's what gave us this next leg to the upside here. So that's what you're always looking for, guys. When you see these breaks, trendline breaks on heavy volume, whether it be to the upside or the downside, that's what can really help you out. So always pay attention to those. But the main thing for us right now is to hold, we'll say, about 52,716 as support. So this previous area that we broke up through, say we do come back and back test that, we want to find support off that, or at least this red trend line. We do not want to start dropping back down in this red trend line, because then it's really going to act as strong overhead resistance for us, and we're going to have to try to get up through that again. So it's important that we stay up above that 52,000. We'll call it $52,700 is going to be the area for us. Now, when taking a look at these candles, what you can see is yesterday we had almost like a bit of a shooting star candle. We really pushed up high, looked like we were going to break out. We got to $56,084, and then we saw some rejection. So you can see that longer wick there as we were trying to get over that previous all-time high. So what we need to see today is for us to have a nice strong candle close, hopefully up above, we'll call it $56,084 is going to be the key, or at least above yesterday's candle close at 53,953. Okay, so we want to see this continuation to the upside if we're able to. And if we do get this continuation to the upside, what I'm going to target is roughly, guys, I'm going to say between $59,000 and that $60,000, that big round psychological number of 60,000, then be obviously up to our new all-time high right up here, or our previous all-time high at 65,000, trying to make a new all-time high. And the nice thing is, guys, if we can get over 65,000 in the weeks to come, then it's blue sky breakouts. We have no overhead resistance. That's when price can really run. It's that price discovery. That's what you're looking for here. But on the one-day time frame, guys, I'm really not seeing too many bad signs here. Obviously, we could go back down and test some of these lower areas at 52,000, maybe even 50,000 again, which we would need to hold as support. But we have gotten up through that, which is an important level for us. Now, if we take a look at our cipher here, wanted to look. So on our cipher, we're not having any real major warning signs right now. The money flow still is in the green. The VWAP, we have lost some strength there, but we are still up above the zero line. So we're at 1.38 right now. We do want to see that gain strength right down in here and start moving back to the upside. We have not had any red dots or anything like that, and our wave height is at about 60 right now. So we're not up in the 90s, anything crazy like that, guys. If this move wants to continue, it definitely could continue to the upside here. In the cryptocurrency space, anything can happen, guys. I wouldn't be surprised to wake up tomorrow and see us at $100,000. I wouldn't be surprised if we were all the way back down here at, $30,000 or $35,000. That's the name of the game. We've seen candles in this space in a matter of minutes go up or down $5,000. So anything can happen, and you always have to have a plan and a strategy for what you want to do. If price does go back to this 52,700, are you a buyer there? Would you wait for a back test of this area? Do you think we're going to get a nice move off that? Do you want to be a part of this run? You have to have a plan, and that's what's really going to help you in this space, guys, is always having a plan. So next, what I want to do here, we're going to take a look at the technicals. And guys, I'm on my laptop today, so just bear with me. Things are going to be a little bit different. But if we take a look at the technicals for Bitcoin right now, we are throwing a buy signal. Right now we have a 1 sell, a 10 neutral, and a 15 buy, and that's going to be on the one-day time frame. Oscillators, a 0 sell, 9 neutral, and a 2 buy. Moving average is nice and strong there. You can see a 1 sell, a 1 neutral, and a 13 buy. And the main thing that I'm paying attention to, guys, or that I'm happy about, is that we've gotten up through that 200 moving average. A lot of people don't pay attention to that, and this is a really big thing, guys. In uptrends or in bull markets, you want to be trading up above the 200 moving average on the 1-day time frame. And bear markets, you're going to be below it, and it's going to be acting as overhead resistance. So you can see all this time that we spent underneath this 200 moving average. It's really nice to see nice strong candles made up above that. And then if we take a look at the 4-hour, I want to show you something quick here, guys. And also, don't forget to show me a little love down there. Just put a smiley face. Happy, have a good weekend, Chris. Anything like that really helps out with the algorithm, and it's much appreciated. So on the 4-hour time frame here, guys, we're paying attention to higher lows. That's what we want to see. So here's our low, higher low, higher low. This area right in here is going to be our higher low. So we don't want to drop much below that 53,299 on the 4-hour time frame here. Maybe we're going to get a little consolidation before we push to the upside, but I would like to see some continuation on this here on heavy volume, because you can see this really big stick of volume that came in here, guys. We've been moving sideways, and let's see if we can go up and challenge some of those higher levels around $58,000 to $60,000. So I'm still in my Bitcoin positions right now. I'm watching this. I want to see on the 4-hour time frame if these higher lows will continue to come in for us. That's what's most important. After we get out of this little consolidation moving sideways, see if we can get a nice strong break to the upside is what I'm looking for there. So if you guys get some from this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, watch these areas. God bless each and every one of you. Take care, my friends.